This is TWiT.
The Cybertruck, we actually just, the reason we're talking about this is there was a tweet. Somebody was flying a drone over the Tesla factory and saw a new model of the Cybertruck in the parking lot that originally the Cybertruck didn't have side mirrors. Turns out it's a minor thing, but the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration requires that you have side mirrors, so they put those on there. It also, oddly, was lacking in its original design a windshield wiper. Now, at least according to the drone photo, it has a 3-foot long, 3-foot long windshield wiper that covers the whole thing. Are there two? I thought it was just one. Oh, there's two blades because nobody sells windshield wiper blades that are 3 feet long, so you have two long blades. Yeah. All right. I'm sorry. I shouldn't mock Tesla. But
no, it's okay. It's easy to mock Tesla.
Yeah, it is. Well, when you look at this is not nearly as aggressive and ugly as the original Cybertruck. Although I imagine there's a lot of people who will want to buy the same kind of.
Oh yeah, didn't it?
People buy Hummers and things like that.
That's a beautiful truck.
You like that? Are you going to get one, Alex?
It's interesting.
I'm not going to get one, but I would get one.
Yeah.
If I lived.
Look at the size of that windshield wiper.
Oh, it's glorious. Look at it.
Part of the problem is, unlike most cars which have rectangular screens, this has a giant square screen, windscreen. So you need a big windshield wiper.
I don't know. I just think the angles, the metal, the windows.
It's kind of cool. Yeah.
Power.
Yeah.
It's a nice looking car. Ooh, look at that little triangle window type of thing.
Yeah. Don't throw
it's like Tesla porn.
It's Tesla porn. Don't throw a cannonball at it.
Yeah. Yeah. Look.
I mean, in fairness.
In
fairness, the side mirrors do kind of ruin the look, though.
Well, they say you can remove them. They're magnetically attached. I wouldn't
Velcro.
Also, you would just look kind of cool driving one of those things around. People will look.
Sure. Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah.
And anything can bounce off of it except for one of those
cannonballs. Don't throw cannonballs at it. Nope.
But otherwise,
yep.
It would be great for driving in New York, actually, because everyone has a.
They'll get out of the way.
Yeah.
New York, a lot of mountain ranges in New York for the big truck.
Nobody. Okay, everybody knows this. People who buy those, off-road vehicles, they're driving down the street. They're not going off.
The best is the pickup trucks. Yeah, it's true. They're not using it to put stuff into for renovations or to put stuff into the back.
Well, there are people around here who do that.